guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making a football snack stadium for the Super Bowl. So it's gonna look like the Super Bowl stadium kind of, and but it's gonna be all made out of food, and we've been making this for the past 5 years, I think, and we've never been able to do videos since we've only been doing videos for like 8 months. But this year we're gonna do a video, and I think this one's gonna turn out pretty good, and it's good to have at your Super Bowl parties. And we're wearing football jerseys, but neither of them are in the Super Bowl, but we're still wearing the jerseys. And just make sure you check out the links in the description. We have some good different recipes and other things we've done on our channel and our social medias. And before we start this video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be reminded when we upload a new video.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start making some sub sandwiches right now to get them done, and then we'll move on. We've got ham, turkey, and roast beef, lunch meat. You can use whatever you want, your favorite lunch meats. So I'm going to make a few of them with all three meats, and we have the white American cheese I'll put on them, and then I'll do some with just each one individually in case people don't like all these. So I'll try to do them like Subway maybe. So there, we've got our first sandwich. Okay, these are going to be the walls of the stadium, so you can just keep doing them, different combinations of lunch meat. In the past, we've also done hot dogs before too, and made that part of the wall. So if you're a big fan of hot dogs, you can do that. Okay, the first thing you do is just outline the tray with pretzel sticks. So like we got the end zones, and then the middle will be the filled. So we're gonna put salsa in one of the end zones and spinach dip in the other. Okay, and the spinach dip on this end. Okay, and next then I'm gonna do the guacamole is the bottom of the field. So we've just got a container of mild guacamole from the store. One year we made our own, but that was too much trouble. So we'll get our green field going here. It's okay if you cover the pretzel sticks. They're just kind of our border. Okay, we get this in a squirt bottle, so usually we just try to, or we didn't know they had this, so we just did it out of a container. So, okay, so we're gonna try to do about 9 lines on here. It won't look exactly like a football field, but okay, I only got 8 on here. Not exactly like a football field, but I think you'll figure it out when we get done. It'll look better when we get the players on there. Alrighty, then just kind of randomly put Vienna sausages for your players. They should stand up. We're going to put 8 on each side. Okay, then we'll go ahead and put the green olives and black olives are going to be their helmets. So we're going to do all green on this side for this team. Do we have another Vienna?
Wait, that's not
going to be even teams. 7 to 7, I guess. And then we put their helmets on. Just a black olive cut in half on top of the Vienna sausages. And then, oh, our goalpost. We got to cut a block of cheese. Cheddar, Colby Jack, whatever you want. Just probably about like that. Okay. Then, okay. All right. So we're going to do 2 blocks of cheese. Next, we're going to do the goalpost. We just use beef jerky sticks for this, whatever kind you want. So the goalpost, we just cut the beef jerky into, and then to put them together, we use toothpicks. And then we'll put them down in the cheese when we get them done.
Say that. Stick it
So then just go ahead and stick that in the cheese. You got your goalpost, and then we got to make one for the other side. Trying to put it all together to make it look like fans in the stadium, and so we're gonna put we just got these little foil pans. We're gonna put some snacks in to make it look like people sitting in the fan. And is that gonna work? So I got a big piece of foil I put under our pan. So, and then we just kind of prop up the pans with the sandwiches. So we're gonna put 3 sandwiches on the ends and do 3 pans of snacks. Yeah, so we're gonna do 3 sandwiches on the ends and 3 pans. And we'll put our snacks in these. And we'll just put another one here to look good. And we're just gonna fill each tray up with a snack. We have Chex cheddar here. We've just got some plain tortilla chips. We're gonna put in here. Okay, I promised dessert, so we're gonna throw in some Hostess Twinkies. So we just kind of stack them up, make it look like more people in the stands. So we're about done. See, I told you you'd have everything you need all in one.
Okay guys, we're back, and we have to have this angle because of this big stadium, but it looks great. And it was pretty easy. It's, I mean, not a lot of work to do, just it looks really cool and good for your Super Bowl party. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe and share this video. And if you make it for your Super Bowl party, share a picture with us, and we'd like to see that. And we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye. Jeez.
Mine looks like I have shoulder pads on. In the past, we've also done hot dogs before too. If you're a big fan of hot dogs, you can do that. I won't keep secrets from you. Squeeze the spinach. And with my shoulder pads on, I have to act tough, you know. Vienna sausage. One year we made our own, but that was too much trouble.
That's not.
You're wrong.
Tastes different. What?
I forgot the Miracle Whip. We're supposed to put it in the dip. Back in the bowl. I think I made them too big.
You're scraping the guacamole. No. Oh my gosh.
I'm going to have to cut the lid off, I think. If they don't stand up, just pretend they're injured. All green on this side for this team. This is the Vikings. I forget who's in the Super Bowl.
No.
The Chiefs. No, the Chiefs got beat. Patriots and New England? No.
It's the same team.
Oh. But they won. No, they didn't win last year.
Well, they
the
don't.
Eagles won last year.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. I'm putting this.
These are trying to figure out football teams.
Anna.
Wait, that's
It's
not
going to
eight?
be even teams.
Switch one over.
Okay, 7-7, I guess. Whew. We have to. Oh my. Poor boy, he's going down. Cheddar, Colby Jack, whatever you want. Whatever you do not use Swiss. So if you're vegan, you could use rocks for the base and asparagus for the goalpost. Be precise, my children. Whoops! I knocked the goalpost down.
And then a player, and then his helmet across the field.
Oh no! Sorry, Tom Brady. Maybe we should deflate these for Tom Brady.